Watch me build this business to $10,000 a month in monthly recurring revenue. Yeah, you heard that right. That's what we're doing. And I'm documenting everything once again. And this time I made the commitment to set up a free group where every day I'm interacting with people. I have too many different platforms. So I went with School because it's nice and easy. I've been spending some time there myself. Thought it was pretty funny. So I'm building projects with AI, getting customers, growing monthly recurring revenue as a one-person company. And then everything I'm using, tools, videos, all that, I'm just dumping it in here, basically helping people, answering questions and all that. And of course, I've run massive communities before, like 6-8 years ago, right? But I thought the name was pretty cool, Emarrarr, which basically is, and I own the domain as well, Emarrarr, monthly recurring revenue. So yeah, I set that up. If you want to join, link in the description. And I'm bringing back the tracker because now it's getting serious. So you can already see from the journey in March, which is pretty cool, which then it was like on RWA stuff. I kind of stopped that. Now bringing it back, like how far we've come, which is pretty cool in changing these topics. But yeah, I made a whole software which I will show you, and then we'll track the socials. So this is the daily update channel. The target was to grow 10 per day. Now I have to cut it off basically on the 17th of April. We're gonna make a jump, so I'm going to flag this. And then from today onwards, we're basically going to reset it to is 16 August. Can I do it like that? No. How do I need to put it? I need to put the original date. Okay, date is August 8, and then 16. Yeah, 16 August, 17 August. Okay, perfect. So we're resetting the tracker. The daily update channel is at 142. So it has definitely grown since then, not by a lot. I mean, the watch time is trash. I don't think we need to track that. Let's track views instead. Watch time is the most relevant, but let me just track views for now. Okay, so here it was watch time. Now we're going to change it here to views. And then, so the views is 267. So I will do views 48 hours just to make it easy. And then obviously there will be overlap though. Is that smart? Otherwise there every time will be a delay. Yeah, 267. For this channel, for the main channel. I think for this channel it's like neglectable. Analytics 16. Not too neglectable, but still almost nothing. The main channel is actually holding its subscribers pretty well now with all the new content coming out. So it's at 26253. 26253 subscribers. Then on X we actually got started and I'm pretty active on it, 45 followers, gotta respect it. LinkedIn I kind of moved away from, so this is going to be X, this is going to be Instagram. Got 0 followers, cleaned out my Instagram completely, removed all my posts, didn't even put a picture yet. It's not really being linked on socials. I'm pushing all my socials to Twitter. I feel like that's for the market, the audience. And I did set up a new newsletter, but it's attached to the community. So I'm going to do school. It's basically 2 people, me and a guy called, what's his name? It's here, Rakesh Kumar. So Rakesh Kumar, I will remember, you're the first person that joined the community. So the newsletter has 1 and school has 2. Because that's basically me, so 2 is 2 minus 1. No, I'll just put 1. So it's always 1 less than is in the community. Well, I will just do 2 and newsletter also 2. Make it easier. So yeah, from here we will measure the growth to see what's working, what's not working. It obviously is going slow until some point it will go faster. I usually cover some of the YouTube analytics, so I will do that. 7 views on this new video. It is Sunday evening, so Sunday morning for some people. So I don't assume that video to do well. I do have a very nice video coming tomorrow. The format is a little bit shorter. I think I'll be able to get some more views. So we had that little peak and then the expected decline, but we're still above 100 views a day. That's kind of where I want to be. The watch time really improved, but again, it's all being carried by that one video that now seems to be slowing down. So we had one unsubscribe, but 254 is like break even, I believe, on the subs. +3 in the last 28 days. Okay, so we're gaining some subscribers. What I'm expecting to do for moving forward is go less than 10 minutes with the content. So I have this video for tomorrow, which is only 7.5 minutes-ish. This one is like 8.5 minutes. And then I'm working towards very long format content, so 2 to 6 hours plus. Between there, the course style format, going very deep into tools like Rourke, Lovable, Codex, what I've been using. So I made this with Codex. It's being tested right now. People that are running Facebook ads, if you're running Facebook ads, message me on Twitter, DM me on Twitter, DM me, put a comment, I will reach out, DM me on Facebook, whatever you want. So what it does is, I built this in Codex over like 2 days, but I'm like optimizing it right now. So you can upload your ad data from Facebook ads or Instagram ads, so as long as it's Meta. So this is obviously like a beta MVP right now, just to see if the rules are set correctly. So people upload their Excel, it's just raw data. The data gets processed and basically shows you where you need to put focus. So it's like a light system for beginners: green light, yellow light, red light. Green is good, yellow is, hey, be cautious, red light is, yo, you need to fix this. This is a problem here. It gives feedback per ad. So you can open the ad, it gives like extensive feedback. And I've basically set up the rules based on my own media buying. So I think that will be extremely valuable. I'm looking for testers. I want to test it with I need at least like a dozen feedbacks, but I want to run 100 people through it before I take it to the next stage. So I'm sending out like a ton of DMs to get that settled, to see if people are interested. That's very interesting, because I think this will play a big part in answering a ton of questions that people always send me or used to send me about their ads. Like, is this good click-through rate? Is this not good click-through rate? And this can basically benchmark against the system. It can also benchmark against your own data, and it's free. So it's kind of like a machine learning system that has been trained on so many data points. So I think that is very interesting, potentially. So we have the school community. We have the YouTube channel growing with consistent content. We have my own SaaS, did the mobile apps. So I got the App Store approval as well. They're doing just one more KYC. So that is coming next week. I mean, things are moving in the right direction. It's Sunday. I've worked all day since about 6 a.m. It's now, what is it now? 5:45 p.m. I'm about to sign off after I've uploaded this video. Yeah, life is good and we're tracking the content. So hopefully going to see some amazing progress. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.